box. All right, there we go. Everything all kind of laid out. Let's unwrap it, see what it looks like. Well, they sent me the wrong color, but at this point I'm just gonna install it anyway, and maybe there's something on Amazon I can buy to either redo the color, or I'll use one of my paint pens and do my own designs on it. All right, I'm my own worst enemy. I decided to put some tape or wrap right here just for fun until I got these new fairings in. And because I'm a doofus, I couldn't figure out how to get this whole center control out. It's because it was still taped right here. So I don't know if you can see that or not, but this was a problem. Now I can get the signals out and I can get this bad boy out of here. Now, if you watch my other videos, you know that I told you that this front stay is bent. So everything's kind of bent that way because they chipped the bike over that way. So we actually have to take all this off and then remove the front stay and put the new one on, and then we can put all this other stuff back on. So it's going to take a lot longer than just taking these plastics off and then putting the plastics on. So let's go, let's get that going. All right, next we got to take this and this bolt out, and then we'll have to clip some of these harness holders off, and we'll replace them with some standard zip ties. Probably have to disconnect a few wire clips as well, but that's where we're going. so I finished the sides. So the side fairings are pretty much on both sides. I'll show you a full walk around, but man, I am working on this tail section. And all I really want to replace are these two pieces. And it is a pain in the butt to just grab these two. I'm going to have to disassemble the whole entire tail assembly. All the plastics are going to have to come off. Even my fake carbon fiber is going to have to come off just to try to get these pieces. So anyway, there's an update. I figured I'd save everyone the trouble of showing you how to do this because I'm still figuring it out myself. But once it's figured out, we'll replace them. All right, ta-da! Got it out. That took a long time.